already know it. It's total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means next is 9, 10. Next you can, because the letters correspond to like 1 is the first letter, 2, T is the first letter, 3, T is the first letter.
What letter is this? Just too easy. Okay. So please listen. Please listen.
I don't know why.
Yeah, straight out.
Bro, they're conditioning us. I'm sure it's conditioning, bro. They're conditioning us to make it feel like trigonometry. I mean, geometry is so
Did
easy.
you use the trigon?
Right now.
Okay, in here, Kuya, use your share it with Quentin, ha? So, okay, so in here. So I want you to share it to you, ha? So first of all, don't you know that I have YouTube channel?
What?
Yes, I have a YouTube channel. So for today, it's free for you. If I will ask for permission, then you will get the video so that it is just like a memory for all of us.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll
that's the time.
try not to swear so you don't get demonetized.
Yes, I will give you some good shares if we got monetized. Okay, so in here, share kayong dalawa para please ang lesson. So what you can do dash 1. Okay, so in here, let's start with our discussion sa U-1. So for U-1, what is the instruction there? That is what we call patterns and inductive reasoning. Okay, so let's start with the first discussion. So when we say patterns, what does it mean? When we hear the word patterns, it means a set of different patterns. It might be a figure, or it might be a number, or it might be a letter. Okay? Next. So when we say inductive reasoning, what does it mean, Alex?
It means that if you like, it's reasoning that relies on like seeing something over and over.
Very good. So it means you are observing a certain thing and you do reasoning in your mind. I think this is the next answer for that given specific. Okay. So in here, it says in here, reasoning based on patterns you observe. Okay. So in here for problem number 1, finding and using a pattern. So in here for letter A, 3, 9, 27, 81. So as you can see, based on your inductive reasoning, so from 3 it became 9. So you multiplied 3. Then 9 became 27, you multiplied 3. Okay, how about this one? Let's try to do this one. So for this first example, this is for who wants to go first? Okay, let's start with Alex. Okay, so in here,
Miss, alam mo anong score ni Hero kaya sa SS at saka ano?
okay. Okay.
Doubles. So
Doubles. So 2, 4.
28.
Okay, next is 16. What's the next of 16?
SS, siya yan ano? SA.
Okay, next. Within. Okay, for page 18.
Pero kung nasa video kaya, sabi mo mag-study lang ng social studies, English, kung sabi niya.
Okay.
Okay.
So the next thing here, 40. Very good. Next for Angelo.
Yung first niya, yung point and 2. Kasi isa lang, diba? 1 lang dito. So, you have to move 1 here again. Ano yan?
English at SS. Pero hindi kasi siya
Angelo. Try na to guess. We don't see the answer, ha? Okay.
Sir, 4 yan. 64.
Hindi. Ano yung ano?
It's just 6. I think 6.
Tapos na 6 na 5.
6 plus 5 sa grade 7. Grade 8. Oh, hindi pa piso. Ay, naku, ibig sabihin na. Okay, wala okay. Okay, di ba ba tayo masyado? Thank you tayo.
Paano ginawa? Second.
Oh, ang second, times 2 lang. So 5, 10, that's 20. Ang kanina, that's 4, 24, tapos 144. So times 6, times 6. In here, para makuha mo siya, 144 times 6, which is 864.
Oh,
Okay? Okay, so that's what we call a pattern.
Najump scare na po.
Okay, so in here, let's start with the, ano naman, with, how do you call this one? The sequence. So how about this one? So who wants to go first? Okay, si Angelo. Okay. Okay. What do you think is the preceding 2 numbers? Or two patterns?
Salamat para sa tingin.
Okay, good. Next, 28.
Si Quentin man, ata mo. Sino mga ano mo? Kasi nagpo ko ba si Miss ano? Nang grade 9? Hindi, sino? Yung teacher ni ba? Nagpo ba ng grade 9?
Si teacher na? Oh, sino kaya? Next, Alex. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bakit narinig sa bottom? Nag-circle?
this is scissors.
Scissors?
No, it's not scissors. Sticks.
Okay, next.
Not point here. Oh, you have a point here. Ito din,
Tatlo na ako na ba? Tatlo na.
Okay, kayo naman, dalawa din namin dito sa ano. What's the next pattern?
It's a
Okay, what's the next pattern?
This is conditioning. This is conditioning make us feel that it's easy, it's going to get easier. But if you look in 16
Very good.
pages,
Let's get started. Okay, so we're already done with the A and B. So in here, for the next I want you to open your page in page 85. Okay, who wants to do number 1, page 85? Okay, so begin. Write your answer, please. Okay, for number 2, we have. Gusto mo number 2? Alex? This one, number 2. No? You want? Number 2 ka. Ikaw number 3 ha. Explain to me number 3.
alright.
Very good. Next, for number 2, observe the pattern. Kuya, Angelo. Okay, so in here, what's the next pattern?
bro, I'm going to focus on red.
Sige, focus ka sa red. Oh, initial of the color na ha.
Ito, okay.
Okay, sige, can you do it?
Okay, rotate clockwise.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Next, explain to me number 3.
Number 3 was a counterexample for the following conjecture. All four-sided figures are squares. Not all four-sided figures are squares because, is this a square?
that is not a square. So what is a counterexample for the following
Counterexample-
conjecture? All four-sided figures are squares.
My counterexample is something that is
Okay, so in here, so very good na. So balik tayo in our example. So in here, let's start with the conjecture. What does it mean by the conjecture? So you may want to find the 10 or the 100 term in a sequence. In this case, rather than find everything previous term, you can look for a pattern. Okay, in here na, hindi ko na ginabasa ko. Okay, pattern. Okay, conjecture is a conclusion using an inductive reasoning. Okay, so for example, how about this one? Okay, we have a given na, what form is this? Rectangle. Okay, what if I fold it into half? Okay, how many dimensions na can you see? Two dimensions. What if I fold this one into two na halves? So in here, one half, tapos in here, that one. So just like this one, we have a paper. I fold this one into what first fold? How many dimensions can you see? 2. 1, 2. If I fold this one into 4, how many can you see? 4. 4. Try to do this one. What if I will fold it 5 times? So ikadalawa yan. Tatlo. Sige. 4. 5. Okay, open it again. How many dimensions can you see? So that's 10, I guess. Or lang ba? So how many dimensions can you see?
354 times 0.1 is 54.
Okay, so based on those observations, what happened? Based on those observations, what sequence or what pattern can you see? It doubles. Okay, so for example, the first the process, it became 2. The next fold, it became 4. Very good. You need to do that in your observation. Very good. So that's conjecture ha. Okay, it means, kapag hindi, okay, for example in here, we will not use the paper anymore. If you fold it 10 times, lagay mo na, sige, right, observation. Di ba first observation, double? Okay, first observation, 2. So second of all, it became 4. 4, 8, ay, wait lang, tama ba? Ano yung sabihin kanina 10 times? Sige lang. Kasi na next na.
Sir, malapit na sir.
He can't hear you. Oh, over man. 4,
The owner of
8,
this,
16,
this
32,
is right close to us.
32,
And it's open.
4, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 56, 8, 512, 9, 1024. It's 1024 ha. Okay. So in here, we doesn't include 1 because that's the first ano man. Okay? Ay, Aiden. Okay, sir. You're letting your ano makita mo. Yes, you're good. Okay, so let's start in here. So using inductive reasoning, let's try to do this one ha. Sige, so who wants to go first? Okay, so let's start with 15. So in here, I do have a circle. Okay, I do have a cake. So in here, if we got it through diameter, when you say diameter, I got it in here, papunta dito, right? Okay, so I want to have a 4 slice of diameter. How many regions can I have? Apat na slice lang. 1, 2, apat na diameter sa picture. Dalawa pa yung iwan mo. 3, 4. How many cakes? 8. What if I say I want 7? Isa ka lang. So that's 4 na. 5, 6, 7. How much is it? It's 14. It means it doubles na na. Okay. How about this one? So for our Alex, okay, so for you Alex. So in here, we have a long rectangle. Okay. I will fold it into, the way that I am folding this one is vertically. When you say vertically, if this one, fold na ganito. Pag horizontally kasi this one, you fold it just like this one, right? Okay. What if I fold this one into vertically 5? How much is it? 5. I will fold it 5 vertically. So first, muna fold in half, right? Here na may lakad ka dyan. This one, that one. Fold vertically into 5.
What do I have to count?
Mukhang kain.
Wait, what do I have to count?
5 lang. Start of 5. Sige, that one. That's your first. First. Second. That one. Third. Second ba yan? Third. Okay. Next. Fourth. Okay. For the fifth. Kaya pa? Hindi na. Try mo na lang i-count yung sa 4. You can make na a conjecture about that one. How much is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16.
Where's the? Oh, okay. I don't think I folded it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It means, sa 4 na fold, it became 16. So for your next fold, it will become 32.
Oh, 32. Yeah.
Okay, 32. Very good. So that's it ha. So conjecture. Okay, so I want you to answer this one. So in here, I will roll a paper ha. So kung sino yung makakakuha ng merong number, you will know what answer ha. Okay. Okay, sino kaya ang maswerte ngayon na mabubunutan? Okay, so in here, hindi naman ito mahirap. Okay. What's your go first sa magbunot? Bunot. Open your papers. Kung sino may then try to sagot. 17. Okay, so in here, answer got it. In here, answer got it. But there's nothing in here. It means, hindi kayo magsagot. Siya lang. Okay, in here, answer got it. That one, very easy. Got it. If you know the answer, don't check it ha. But it is one answer. Easy. So what conjecture can you make about the 23rd in 20th turn? So you're gonna make also your answer. It's letter B. Okay, so in here, based on our observation, the B is in the third spot. Okay, in here, in the sixth spot. So ibig sabihin, sige counting ng that would give us 3, right? I mean letter B. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's letter B. Or, ang 20 man now, that's W. 21st, yes, letter B. Very good. You get it?
How do you do that?
So you divide it by 3.
Yes.
If there's a remainder, if the remainder is 1, then it is R, remainder is 2, it's W. No remainder means it's B.
Yun.
Because it repeats every third.
In here, kuya, ibig sabihin dito, or WB. You already done na?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's no like wow.
Hindi.
Could be
Ipakita mo yung process sa akin, bawal itiging 32.
times 4.
Times 4. Oh, isa pa. You already done with the first double conjecture. Isa pa double conjecture.
9.4.
Bigla ko sa kami yun. Don't do it. Sorry. Okay.
Could be plus 6.
Very good. So the conjecture is in here. So it will be 2 times 4. So that's 2 times 4, it became 8. 8 times 4, it will become 32. So this one, check. Second conjecture. So 2 plus 6, it will become 8. That's 8 plus 6, it will become 14. Next, 17. Okay.
Kasi di ba 1 decimal place number, so 0.1.
Makita ko yung dalawang conjecture ha. Provide the next number lang.
So that will be 19.4. Oh, ilan na, number na, okay. Oh, number 8.
This lesson's too easy.
Di ba kasi siya sa paper, right?
This is just trying to trick us.
Oh, isa pa lang yung conjecture. Ay, ano yung dalawa na? Okay. In here, ang igawa mo kuya, 3 times 5, it became 15 times 5, it became 75. Tama ba? Tama, 75. Next na naman, let's go. Okay, very good. Next, for Angelo. Mali Angelo, ba kayo Okay. Okay, two conjecture. You conjecture, please. Okay, so for tomorrow, we do a quiz ha. About this one, the patterns are up your reasoning. This one. Mali lang po for you.
Nahirapan talaga.
Nahirapan ka?
Sa patterns.
Sa patterns.
Yung triangle. Ay, sige. Ay,
In here? The triangle?
Yung triangle good na kagana dito.
That's
Ah.
easy.
No, ba? Kasi in the first one, it was clear.
Mm.
Then the second one, straight.
Ah.
Tapos ang third one, i-mix ito dalawa. I didn't understand it.
Very good.
Di ba you did last one?
That's why?
The triangle, ano? Pattern?
Ano?
Ay, pa kayo. Ay, sakay pala. Yes, yun. Okay, so in here, let's start na naman with collecting information to make a conjecture. There's no question as a conjecture?
No, sir.
Wala na ha. Okay, so collecting information to make a conjecture. So what conjecture can you make about the sum of the first 30 even numbers? So ibig sabihin, example of even numbers. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. When we say odd numbers, that's 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so in here, when we say sum, what does it mean to sum? Is 8, add lahat. Okay, ibig sabihin, 30 down na even numbers. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38.
Ilan sila lang ako lang? 1, 2, 3.
4,032.
4,032 sa'yo?
At least 2. So,
Sure ha? Okay, so 63 times 64. So 2, carry 1. So 24 plus 1, 5, 2, 6 times 3, 18, carry 1, 6 times 6, 7. Okay, so that's 2. Tapos it's 3, carry 1, 0, carry 1. 4, tama, 4,032. Sa'yo, kuya, ilan sa'yo? Diyan hindi. Yan sa'yo? 6,000? Ilan? 6,006. Okay, 8 times 7, 40, 48, 6, 6 carry 5. 61. 7 times 7, 49, 9 carry 4, 49, 53. 6, 0, carry 1, 0, carry 1. Tama, 6,006. Okay, let's start na naman with odd numbers. Finding the sum of the odd numbers. So we're finding the odd of the sum numbers. For example, find the sum of odd numbers in sixth term. Okay, what does it mean now? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. How much is it?
different formula.
Different to formula. Okay, so 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 11, that's 36. Okay? So in here, ang gagawin natin, okay, here's the formula. Do you know the formula? In here, listen sa formula. Kapag we are looking for the odd numbers, if the given is that term, 6 term, you need to square it lang. Square lang ha? Okay, so 6 squared, that's 36. So di ba kanina, 1 plus 5, 5 plus 3, plus 7, plus 9, plus 11. Try to calculate this one, kita tama 36. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Diba? 36. Okay, ready na kayo? Okay, let's start. So first example, this one is for Quentin. Okay, so, okay, this one for second si Angelo ha? Okay, next, Alex. Gather ka. Find the 121st. Tapos in here, 65th. In here, 72nd. Na third. Second ka. Third ka. Okay, Alex. So wait na. Sir, I gave you the formula na kanina. You see it? The formula? You didn't listen to me pa. Di ba sabi ko, term, squared lang siya.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
What number is that?
Number 1 ka, kaya 15. Second ka, kuya, ano, Angelo?
Is that 12? Tapos?
1 to 1 yan siya. 121st.
Saan siya gawin sa'yo?
Ano siya, squared lang sa kuya? Yung term. Mathematic hindi
Ano to, kunwari, kung second term, 4.
Ano siya?
Ay, wala. Tapos equals 4.
Oh.
Tapos, ano?
Tapos, 4 plus 5. Tapos, ang answer is 7. Ilan sa'yo? 16, 651. Okay, 16, 651.
2 digits, then you add 0 in here. So, ang result is, anong result?
Mali. Mali ito, mali.
No, it's not 2.
Nag-calculate ka? Sa cellphone, hindi. Tama na yung cellphone ka nag-calculate. Kala ko yung unit ba yan? Wait, sir. 65?
Ito muna tayo, dito muna.
Mali, mali.
Wala sa multiplication ulit to. Okay, 2. So, when you multiply 2,
Ay,
when you multiply 2, anong number? Ano magiging sagot? Ano sagot na? You have to move.
Tama. Okay.
You have to move to the left. Because multiplication number yan. You have to move in 1, 2.
How much is it?
0.27.
Okay, so we're finished with the collecting information to make a conjecture. So that's the naman in here. So making a prediction. So in here, let's measure. That one. In here. So making a prediction naman. So do you believe sa mga predictions?
Yes.
For example, mga future predictions. For example, in the Philippines someday, merong mahulog na, na meteorite. Do you believe that one?
Yes.
Yeah, it feels very delicado. No, but that's why I'm asking you, do you believe in predictions?
Yeah.
For example, someday the Philippines will be drowned in tsunami.
Probably. Like no one.
In one point in time, it will.
Like sir,
At some point
if
in
a
time.
meteor or that happens, I predict that it's possible that the entire civilization of the Filipinos will be gone, except for immigrants.
Yun. So in here, so out of those possibilities, Kuya, there is a specific na 0.0001 na happening. So,
But 100% chance it's happening.
Yes,
But
but siya.
100% chance
Malaki pa. I think so, ganun. So we cannot tell the time, but let's see kung ganun mangyari talaga. Where do you think you will survive?
Oh, I'll be dead long before that.
Yes, we will be dead. In very moment of the comment, right?
You know, I actually won't be dead before that.
Of course we're gonna be
Because do you
dead.
believe that the comment will be hulog sa Philippines?
Is there a comment until here?
Your brother said that in the near future daw.
I didn't hear. I said eventually.
Eventually daw.
Sir, tulog ako siya.
Do you believe that, Kuya Aiden? Do you believe that one?
Buy me chips. No, I'm not buying it.
Okay, so let's start in here. Some of the predictions we have. Okay, so problem number 4, making a prediction. So in here, let's start with our sales. Okay, so for our sales. So sino dito into familiar with business? Or who wants to be a businessman? Someday? Okay, so we have Shane, we have also Angelo. So if you were given a chance to choose a business, what business is that? Uy, wag mga drugs, ha?
Sir, are you racist?
No. No, I mean ba? I mean in advance. So that,
I would want to I would like to
Pardon?
no, I would like to do a plain
mga airs.
Oh, you're gonna crash them.
How about you, Kuya Aiden?
I want to have like
A girlfriend?
Business? So you're doing business with your girl?
Ayaw,
Okay,
renting
Renting. Okay,
I
rentals.
think business.
I
really do.
Hell no.
I kind of want a business where
So when you modify, you have to move them.
like a gym.
Okay, gym. How about what's your taijutsu? You want that one?
No, I'll teach martial arts. So I can have a gym and then there'll be pretty girls.
Okay. How about you?
I'm rental, like so like the more I'm so I'll start with I'll rent a house, like a place, and then I'll buy that, and then I will use the money I get from that place to rent another place, and use the money from that place and that place.
How about you, Quentin? If you're given a chance to choose a business someday, what do you want?
Real estate.
Oh, real estate. How about you?
Girlfriend rentals.
How about you, Alex? Meat?
What?
You want meat to your business someday?
I'm not gonna have this.
Oh, what is it? What's it in your mind?
Maybe cocaine.
Cooking?
No, I think cocaine.
Cocaine. Oh, no.
Also, the crack.
No. Oh, so, okay, so in here, so let's start to make a prediction.
I need a prediction. He's gonna do drugs. He's gonna do drugs. He's gonna do drugs. We are all doing drugs.
No.
How will I do drugs? I don't like it.
We're going to do drugs. Okay, see here. So it says in here, sales in the backpacks at nationwide company increase over period of 6 consecutive months. So this is consecutive. Ibig sabihin, pasunod-sunod ha. Okay, so it says in here, what conjunction can you make with the number of backpacks your company will sell in May? So look at the table please. Okay ha, I will question you. Okay, it says in here, the points seem to fall on a line. The graph shows the number of sales increasing by about 500 bags each month. But in that university, you can estimate the company will sell approximately 8,000 backpacks in May. Okay, as you can see in there, that's April. So the M stands for May, which is the last data shows that it is 8,500 on April. On May, it became 8,000. Okay? Okay, Alex? Okay, make a prediction if it is on July. How much is it? How much is the value?
7,000.
7,000, very good. For Quentin, make a prediction on October.
Like this lang, dalawa lang. Okay?
I'll go something.
I know business.
Okay, here I'll ask you a question.
Like 5 minutes go now.
I'll ask you a question ha.
11,000.
Huh? 11? Nag-increase ka? We are increasing daw. So it says in here, on April, we get 8,000, so this is 8,000. So in here daw, we have 11,000 in here. So as the time passes by, or as the month passes by, it increases 500 per
About
month.
now, sir.
It says in here, on April, the last data shows 8,500. On May, it shows in here that it is 800. So I asked Angelo, what happened, or what is the value on July? So it says in here, sabi niya, it's 7,000. Yes. Tapos after that one, I asked Quentin on October. What's your answer? 5,000? Sure ka 5,000? 5,000?
6 months, so 500, 300.
Okay, how about you? What is the value on December?
Hey, get careful!
What's the value in December?
Oh, backwards for sure.
Oh, that's really fast. Yeah. What's my question? December.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm going.
The last data on May is 8,000. Sir, get tax right?
I think maybe 4,000.
4,000 in here. May 8,000. 7,500. 7,000. 6,500. 6,000. 5,500. 5,000. 4,500. Okay, thank you so much for today. By the way, I'll be posting this right now on YouTube. Okay.
On YouTube?
Yes.
Wait, you're going to like and subscribe?
Yes.
Wait, what's up, guys? Yeah.
So how many people have the lesson?
Give us the drugs?
Yes. Or I'll censor you.
Yes, yes. Oh, wait, make sure to put a black bar over my brother's face.
Why?
I think you can put the words like
Is-
mog.
is he on the black
mog.
list?
Put like red, like letters mog.
That's line.
What? Did you say as
You're on this right now?
No. Well, you can go back. Well, you went to that line, not me.
I thought you said it.
Like, there's one we were lying, so I had that.
How do you know about
Oh, I
that?
thought, oh, take that away. Yeah.
See you tomorrow. Please bring your computer. Yeah. Dapat ako maganda sa inyo mo.
Yeah.
You want to take a picture?
I know what I'm.